Let me show you how to swap the left joystick on your Nintendo Switch Lite. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. So first of all, please turn off the device. Remove 4 3-point screws on the back. Please sort all the screws so that you don't get confused during the installation. Now remove 2 Phillips screws from underneath, and then 2 more on the top side. With a flat pick, carefully move along the side edges. The speaker area is the best place to start. Be careful not to go in too deep. Then remove 4 Phillips screws. Finally, you can remove the shielding plate. Now release one flex connection. To do this, fold down the latch. Immediately disconnect the connection. Loosen the connector and remove the marked screw. Now carefully pull the speaker unit to the side and put it down. Fold 3 latches around and remove the flex connection. Remove the 2 marked screws. Remove 4 more screws before you can remove the Daughterboard. Remove 2 more screws. Now you can remove the old joystick. Before inserting the new joystick, make sure that the seal is in place. Tighten the 2 screws. As soon as the Daughterboard is properly seated like in our video, screw it on. Insert 2 more screws and insert the flex cable. Then, plug in all the flex cables. Finally, you can attach the loudspeaker unit and fasten the connector. Connect the battery. Attach the flex connection. Now put in place the shielding plate. Screw in the 4 screws. Now fasten the back cover. Finally, insert and screw in all external screws. Before you can use the Switch Lite as usual, you have to recalibrate the stick. That's a wrap! If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel. You can find spare parts and repair men and women at kaputt.de.